Can you play Roblox on PS4? Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can actually figure out whether or not you can play Roblox on PS4, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you are wondering if you can play Roblox on PS4, the answer is absolutely yes. Now you can, because on the recent update Roblox has made it available for both PS4 and PS5 users as well. So if you want to play Roblox there, it's totally easy. So what you need to do is just head over to your PlayStation Store, make sure that your system and everything else is updated, and then from the top of the search bar you simply want to go ahead and then type in Roblox. So when you type in Roblox, on the right hand side you should be able to see the Roblox game here, which is completely free by the way, so you don't have to pay anything, just like you don't have to pay on PC and mobile versions. So all you have to do is just click on the Roblox game here, and in my case I've already downloaded it, so in my case you're seeing the start button. So if you haven't downloaded, make sure to download it first, and then you'll be able to play Roblox on PS4. This way you can play Roblox on PS4. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.